What the deal, YouTube? It's your boy, Baby Boy Young. Before we get in already, smash that like button, smash that sub button, and turn on post notification bell. Some of y'all subbing to my channel, and some of y'all ain't. You feel me? On the road to 1K sub, and we go get there. You feel me? And today video, I don't know what I gonna be doing, but I just cut the camera, cause I don't got nothing else to do. You feel me? But I've been dropping bangers, back to bangers, after bangers, you feel me? Yeah, man, got some. I see y'all when we get in the radio on. Y'all, I been cut my phone like yeah, you feel me? Last night, this happened. No, we gotta go get my phone fixed. Man, I paid too much money for the phone, man. Today radio, vlogging with me to get my phone fixed. But y'all stay tuned for my intro I about to drop, cause y'all don't wanna miss that. That shit gonna be lit, you feel me? I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. I'm gonna go take a shower so we go get this phone fixed. See y'all in a minute. So y'all stay tuned, man. If it get lit on, youngin'. About to go to a car. Waiting on my sister. She's taking a slow time.
ACY. Local businesses can
Alright, y'all. Getting my phone fixed. So it's not done yet. Quite too. So y'all take time if it get lit on. You drop my phone off at the shop. Gotta go back and pick it up about two something, you feel me? The price been $85 and shit. So I just sitting in the car at the crib right now. Might go back in a little bit and go pick my phone up. Cause one thing about Baby Boy Young, I don't trust nobody, man. Hey, I don't trust nobody with my phone, my boy. I'm gonna sit in the car all day. But I'll get back to y'all when I get my phone, man. If I get lit on. They got back from the crib. They got my phone fixed. You feel me? Make sure to like, comment, and sub. I'll catch y'all in the next video. It go get lit on.